How to connect airline's air components to IGS air cannon. Kit includes half-inch NPT quick exhaust with 1/4 inch quick connect fitting, pressure gauge, safety relief valve, a 1/2 inch by 1/4 inch bushing, 2.5 inch NPT by a 1/2 inch quick connect fittings. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Insert the 1/2 inch fitting into the rod end air cylinder port. Step 2. Insert the quick exhaust into the cap end air cylinder port. Step 3. Insert the 1/4 inch blue tubing into the quick exhaust. Step 4. Insert the 1/2 inch red tubing into the rod end cylinder port. Step 5. Insert the pressure gauge. Step 6. Insert the pressure relief valve on the air tank. Step 7. Insert 1/2 inch quick connect fitting on the air tank for the tank fill air line. Step 8. Insert the 1/2 inch black tubing for the tank fill air line.